Your Tacoma's 4.0-liter V6 sounds way too tame from the factory, and that engine has a mean, raspy character just waiting to come out. The right exhaust wakes it up fast. All links are in the video description. Let's count down the 10 best options. Starting at number 10, the Flowmaster Outlaw Extreme runs 3-inch mandrel bent 409 stainless through an Outlaw muffler into a dump-style turn-down exit. No over-axle tailpipe, better ground clearance, deep powerful sound, factory hangers, lifetime limited warranty. Let's fire it up. At number 9, the Dynomax Ultra Flo runs 2.5-inch mandrel bent stainless into a straight-through Ultra Flo welded muffler with continuous roving fiberglass to kill interior resonance while keeping a deep performance tone. Direct bolt-on, pre-assembled, no fabrication needed. Best budget stock, exhaust replacement. Let's hear it roar. Number 8. The MagnaFlow Overland series hugs the undercarriage tight for maximum ground clearance with a tipless high-tuck passenger side exit. Built-in NDT resonator for zero highway drone, dyno-proven performance, and 100% stainless construction. Built for Overland rigs, limited lifetime warranty. Let's hear that beast. At number 7, the AFE Power MACH Force-Xp runs 2.5-inch mandrel bent stainless through a straight-through free-flowing muffler with dyno-proven gains of 9 horsepower and 16 foot-pounds of torque. Finished with a wrinkle black 304 stainless rolled slash-cut tip. Bolt-on, no cutting required. Let's get loud. Number 6. The AFE Power Rebel series steps up to 3-inch mandrel bent stainless, the same dyno-proven 9 horsepower and 16 foot-pounds of torque gains, and exits via dual 3.5-inch black laser-etched tips in front of the rear passenger tire for a seriously unique, aggressive look. Let's unleash it. At number 5, the Borla S-Type runs 2.25-inch Premium 304 austenitic stainless with patented straight-through multi-core technology. Classic S-Type sound, zero interior drone, 4-inch bright chrome tip, CNC precision fit, million-mile warranty. The refined choice on this list. Let's drop the hammer.
Give me some gas. Oh, hell yeah.
Number 4. The Carven dump exit is TIG welded in the USA from mandrel bent tubing. Dumps before the rear axle for maximum trail clearance, and owner's rave. It sounds like a race car, throaty, aggressive, and makes you smile every single time you rev it. Let's set it loose. At number 3, the Flowmaster FlowFX runs 2.5-inch 409 stainless into a straight-through muffler with dual 2.5-inch mandrel bent tailpipes exiting behind the rear wheels at an angle. 4.5-inch black ceramic 304 stainless tips clears the spare tire, lifetime limited warranty. Let's rattle some windows. Number 2. The Flowmaster FlowFX Extreme takes the same FlowFX muffler but swaps the tailpipes for a 3-inch dump-style turn-down exit. Better departure angles, improved ground clearance, deep powerful tone, all factory hanger locations, lifetime limited warranty. Trail-ready version of a proven setup. Let's turn some heads. And at number 1, the MBRP Armor Light is a 2.5-inch aluminized steel street profile catback with a 3.5-inch rolled angle-cut mirror-polished T, 304 stainless tip. Clean, affordable, bolt-on install, fits access cab and crew cab 4.0 liter only, 3-year warranty. Let's send it. Ten exhausts for your Tacoma's 4.0 liter V6, from trail-ready dump exits to refined daily drivers. Every link is in the video description. Go grab yours. If this helped, smash that subscribe button. More Tacoma content is on the way.